Mini ITX cases always look nice compared to full-sized ones, and the cooling systems in them have also become much better. If you're looking for one, then check out our top 7 picks for the best Mini ITX cases. Let's start off with the NR200P from the Cooler-Master SFF series. The clean, minimalist design with tempered side glass panels look pretty impressive. It also comes with a vertical mount cable for GPU and 2 120mm sickle flow fans at the top. Although it's a Mini ITX case, it can fit most full-size GPUs that are currently available on the market. It supports up to 280mm radiators and 155mm CPU blocks. So maintaining a cool temperature in this case is not a problem. On top of that, the Max version of this case comes with an 850-watt gold power supply as well. If you want a minimalist ITX case that can fit large components on the inside, then the NR200P is a really nice choice. Looking for a premium Mini ITX case in an affordable price range? Then check out the Lee TU150. The entire exterior is made of solid aluminum panels, and it comes with a retractable magnetic handle at the top for easy portability. On the inside, it has optimized space for every component that fit in nicely. If you are concerned about the GPU placement, then you should know that it supports graphics cards up to 3 slots with 320mm. And for cooling, it can accommodate up to 4 120mm fans, 1 in front, 1 at the top, and 2 at the bottom of the case. As a result, TU150 always maintains a cool temperature. Lastly, the I/O panel is filled with 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 Type-C, and 1 audio jack at the top for more convenient usage. For our next small form factor case, we have the new NZXT H20. This is a revamped version of the previous NZXT H20 with increased GPU length support, PSU wattage, and a built-in fan controller. Design-wise, this case is really unique compared to the other Mini ITX cases. With 15.9 inches of height and 7.7 inches in width, we have to say that it is an excellent looking case. This case also comes with a built-in 140mm AIO liquid cooler, an SFXL 750-watt gold power supply, and a few other necessary components. So you can say that the H1 V2 is a bang for the buck if you think of it as a premium Mini ITX case. If you're a fan of Mini ITX build, then you should definitely check out the DanA4 H20. It's the smallest on this list and has a minimalist design that suits most desk space. Thanks to its solid aluminum panels, the entire exterior is very sturdy. Despite its size, it can hold up to 322mm of graphics cards. The A4 H20 is also designed to support SFX and SFXL power supplies. From front to bottom, every panel on this case is easily removable. As a result, it has plenty of room and flexibility for the installation of internal components such as radiators up to 240mm. And as always, front I/O panel has all the necessary ports, including 1 USB Type-A, Type-C, and an audio combo jack. Moving on, next we have the Tomahawk Mini ITX from the Razer. It looks fantastic with fully detachable tempered glass panels on both sides. And for the optimal cooling system, it comes with an open mesh panel design as well. On top of that, Tomahawk Mini ITX also supports 240mm AIO liquid cooling and up to 320mm graphics cards. It also comes with a built-in dust filter, which ensures proper airflow and blocks dust particles at the same time. And as expected from Razer, there are some cool RGB LED lights at the bottom of the case, which gives a really nice gaming vibe. So you could say it's a pretty good-looking minimalist case for Mini ITX PC builds. Up next, this Mini ITX case is probably one of the most stylish-looking cases you will find on the market. This is Evolve Shift XT made by Phanteks. The 3-in-1 designed exterior is made of premium aluminum, and the top panel can be extended up to 6mm for an additional radiator support. But what we love the most is the front RGB lighting on tempered glass with stunning visuals. Shift XT can easily fit in 3 slotted GPUs up to 324mm. Besides that, it has plenty of room for every ITX PC component, and the side ventilation system ensures proper airflow. So if you want something unique and stylish case without any compromise, then this case might be a good option for you. And for the final one on the list, we have the Chop N Max from InWin. If you have very little space on your desk, then this case is perfect for you with its sleek aluminum shell design. It is really compact and slim, and it looks pretty decent from the outside as well. To keep the CPU cool, it has clearance for all the stock coolers from both AMD and Intel. Surprisingly, you can fit two 2.5-inch SSDs inside the case, and Chop N Max also has a built-in 80+ gold 200 watts power supply. If you are looking for a mini ITX case for your casual day-to-day usage, then you definitely need to take a look at this case. So that was all about our top picks for the 7 best mini ITX cases. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.